It's Ofe Akwu day, guys. Welcome back to Anais Chronicle channel. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare a delicious and flavorful dish called Ofe Akwu, also known as Banga Stew. Here is what you'll be needing for this delicious stew. Ugu leaf, scent leaf, your Ogiri or locust bean, your pepper, onion, your seasoning cube. I used no Maggi for this. Your meat, the palm fruit itself, the akwu, the crayfish, then smoked fish. You can also use dry fish. First, I started by parboiling the palm fruits. This is an essential step as we'll be extracting the juice to create the base for our stew. Onto the next, I spiced my meat with chopped onions, pepper, Maggi, a sprinkle of curry. I just added my curry now, and thyme. I gave it a good stir and allowed it to steam with no water added. The natural juice from the meat will release and create a flavorful base for us. While the meat steamed, I blended Ogiri, onions, crayfish, and pepper. The mixture will add depth and traditional flavor to our stew. Back to the meat, I added a little water to help it cook to the tenderness I want. Now I checked on the boiling palm fruits to see if they were soft enough for pounding, and I moved on to the pounding stage. This is very stressful. I pounded the palm fruits thoroughly with mortar and pestle. If you don't have mortar and pestle in your house, you can alternate with food processor. I've seen people use it and it serves them very well. Because my mortar is very small, I had to pound the palm fruits in batches. Like, I pounded it like 4 times or so before I was able to pound everything. But I'm glad I got what I wanted. But this is stressful. You can even see me sweating here already. Like, it's so stressful for me. It's very, very stressful, but I was smiling in the process. That's a good thing. I'm still pounding. You can see the time it took me because I have a very small mortar. I have to pound it in sections to get what I want. Then I'm done pounding here. It's time for extraction. I added my hot water to extract the rich juice, and I stirred for a while. Because the water is hot, I can't put my hand. Then I sieved out the water from the chaff. I sieved it like 2 times. Then that was done because the hot water had already done enough. I just needed the final rinse off, which is what I'm doing here. I sieved it off again because the palm fruits have a stick, and that stick sometimes you may not remove, or you might end up pounding everything. You see small dirt. So after that, you allow your water to rest, then give it a final sieving. Don't put this under part I'm showing you. Then the next, I placed it on fire, added some seasoning cube and salt, and covered the pot to boil for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I added a blended mixture of crayfish, onions, ogiri, and pepper to the boiling palm fruit extract. I let it boil for 10 minutes to infuse the flavor. Then I added my grounded Ehuru and Uziza seed for a unique aroma and taste. I don't know what they are called in English. Onto the next, I added my meat and the meat stock into the pot. At this stage, the palm fruit extract is already beginning to thicken up. I added a little water to loosen up. Then next, I went in with my scent leaf and smoked fish. Boil it for about 2 minutes, and I finally added the ugu leaf. Stirred it for a while to check if it's okay. It wasn't okay for me, so I added extra ugu leaf. I adjusted the taste of our Ofe Akwu by adding a little seasoning cube to it. And there you have it. Our Ofe Akwu is ready to be enjoyed. I served mine with hot rice, but this stew can pair perfectly with spaghetti, yam, or even potatoes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Happy cooking!